Hallo.
everyone. Welcome to eCUBE, your go-to channel for education, entertainment, and all that has to do with self-development. I'm thrilled to have you here, as we dive into the German Beginners or A1 level course. There are many reasons why one should learn the German language. From connecting with people from a different culture, challenging your brain, to improving your career prospects, learning German as well as any other new language opens doors to amazing possibilities. Get ready for dynamic lessons, cultural insights, and practical tips that will fast-track your language journey. So, let's get into today's lesson.
Buchstaben.
We'll be diving into a fascinating topic that forms the foundation of the German language, the German alphabet. Whether you're a language enthusiast or planning a trip to Germany, understanding the German alphabet is a great place to start. The German alphabet consists of 26 letters, just like the English alphabet. However, there are a few unique characters that make it distinctive. Let's take a look.
Apfel. Apfel. Buch. Buch. Computer. Computer. Drucker. Drucker. Ei. Ei. Fisch. Fisch. Gitarre. Gitarre. Hahn. Hahn. Impfung. Impfung. Jacke. Jacke. König. König. Limette. Limette. Mond. Mond. Nase. Nase. Ohr. Ohr. Papaya. Papaya. Quadrat. Quadrat. Regen. Regen. Schiff. Schiff. Tasche. Tasche. U-Bahn. U-Bahn. Vogel. Vogel. Wasser. Wasser. Xylophon. Xylophon. Yoga. Yoga. Zahn. Zahn. Ägypten. Ägypten. Österreich. Österreich. Hütte. Hütte. Straße. Straße.
As you can see, the German alphabet includes 3 umlauted vowels.
Ö und Ü.
These letters represent specific sounds in the language. Additionally, we have the
SZ oder scharfes S.
which is used for the SS sound. Now that we've covered the basics, let's delve into the pronunciation of the German letters.
Aussprache von Vokalen und Konsonanten. Aussprache von Vokalen und Konsonanten.
In German, the vowels A, E, I, O, and U can have slightly different sounds compared to English. For example, A is pronounced like the A in bar, but shorter. E is pronounced like the E in red, and I sounds like EE. O is close to the O in coat, and U is like the O in boot. So, let's see the way the vowels are pronounced with visual examples.
A. Kamera. A. Kamera. E. Essen. E. Essen. I. Eis. I. Eis. O. Auto. O. Auto. U. Hund. U. Hund.
Note that the German letter D usually sounds like a T when at the end of a word. A fun fact before we leave this page.
Essen.
Which means food in German, is also the name of a city in the German state of
Nordrhein-Westfalen.
Consonants, also have their unique pronunciation. W is pronounced like V, and V is pronounced like F. The R sound can be quite distinct, with a guttural R and a soft R variation. Now, let's also see the way all the German consonants are pronounced. Please make sure to listen carefully to the pronunciations.
B. Boot. B. Boot. C. Buch. C. Buch. D. Hund. D. Hund. F. Fisch. F. Fisch. G. Garten. G. Garten. H. Haus. H. Haus. J. Ja. J. Ja. K. Katze. K. Katze. L. Lampe. L. Lampe. M. Mutter. M. Mutter. N. Nacht. N. Nacht. P. Pferd. P. Pferd. Kuh. Quark. Kuh. Quark. R. Rot. R. Rot. R. Herz. R. Herz. S. Sonne. S. Sonne. T. Tisch. T. Tisch. V. Vogel. V. Vogel. W. Wasser. W. Wasser. X. Xylophon. X. Xylophon. Y. Yacht. Y. Yacht. Z. Zeit. Z. Zeit.
Unlike in English, German doesn't have many variations for the pronunciations of its letters. All letters are usually pronounced the same way, no matter their positions in words. Usually, not always. I will also like to talk about long vowel, or gemination, doubling of the consonant. In German, when two of the same letters appear consecutively within a word, it generally indicates a lengthened or doubled pronunciation of the sound represented by that letter. For example,
Bett.
the tt indicates a doubled t sound, so it's pronounced with a slightly longer t sound, similar to holding the t sound a bit longer. This doubling or lengthening of the consonant is a distinctive feature of the German language, and is used to indicate a short vowel sound in the preceding syllable. It affects the pronunciation of the consonant, but not necessarily its spelling. In German, umlauts are diacritical marks that consist of two dots placed above certain vowels.
Ö und Ü.
They modify the pronunciation of these vowels.
Umlaut
Is pronounced like the A in cat but with a slightly more closed mouth.
Umlaut Ö.
Is pronounced like the I in bird or the U in fur, creating a unique sound not present in English.
Umlaut Ü.
Is pronounced like the U in the French word
Lune.
or the U in few, with rounded lips and a more closed mouth. Remember, the
SZ.
makes the SS sound. It's important to note that
SZ.
is not used at the beginning of words, only in the middle or at the end. So, we're finally at the end of our first book. Here are a few tips to help you along your German learning journey. To truly master the German alphabet and its sounds, practice is key. You need to listen, read, and watch any material you can find in German, as it will help your brain adapt to the language and help you better learn German. Our music recommendation for today is one that I myself listened to when I started learning German. It's a song by the German music group
Deine Freunde.
called.
Schokolade.
You can type the song title and artist name in the YouTube search bar to listen to the song, or better, scan this QR code on the screen if you can. Now it's time for questions.
Fragen. Fragen.
Our first question.
Wie viele Buchstaben hat das deutsche Alphabet? Wie viele Buchstaben hat das deutsche Alphabet?
How many letters are there in the German alphabet? And our second question.
Wie unterscheidet man zwischen Groß- und Kleinschreibung der deutschen Umlaute und des Eszets? Wie unterscheidet man zwischen Groß- und Kleinschreibung der deutschen Umlaute und des Eszets?
How to distinguish between upper and lower case of the German umlauts and the eszett? You can write your answers to these questions in the comment section. I will be reading all comments. Now to our project for this book. Using at least 5 of the German alphabets, write in the comments section for each of the alphabets you have chosen, a word that has this alphabet as its starting letter. You can write as many as you want, but not less than 5. I look forward to seeing your examples. Maybe I could also learn some new German words myself. Remember, learning a new language is like discovering a whole new world of communication. So, keep practicing, stay curious, and immerse yourself in the beauty of the German language. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share to people you think it could be helpful to, and subscribe to help support this channel. Feel free to leave your questions and suggestions in the comments below.
Auf Wiedersehen.
Until next time.